The Dow drops again, 99 points. This is D7. I'll be your host here for a bet. It is Wednesday, May 4th, 2016. Got an announcement at the end of this video. And the markets sell off. Check this out. Spider off 0.5%, everybody down. Small caps down 0.8%. Banks off by more than 1%. Financials off by 0.8%. And US dollar increasing by 0.2%, putting pressure on the markets. Crude oil up 0.5%. Gold down, silver down. And pulling back as I will look at that. There's some buying opportunities coming up. And VIX off by more than 1%. And let's take a look here at the markets. You have this big rise up on the S&P 500 and this drop. What's interesting here, we get these two hammers down at the bottoms, but today we get this lower high, lower low, and it really showed a lot of weakness in today's action. But we're down here in this area of support that you cannot ignore. I'm going to bring in a line right here, and I think this line is going to be one that we're going to have to contend with if we drop again. I think that if we drop, we have a couple areas of support with the rising 50-day moving average and these levels coming across these horizontal lines. You can see the numbers right here. That should act as some sort of support. If you look here at the diamonds, we're dropping. We have another doji. Now, a lot of times after a drop, you get a doji, you get a reversal. You'll tend to get a bounce. We have resistance that we're going to contend with. If that happens, a lot of support coming across here. Matter of fact, I should put that line in too. For whatever reason, I'm not sure why it's not in there right now. And so this is a line that should act as support if, in fact, we can get back down there with another trend line coming across and a rising 50-day moving average. Obviously could act as support. But I think that we have a chance to drop a little more before it starts to make another rally to the upside, which I think will be short-lived if and when it does that. We have the NASDAQ down. Man, did you guys see Twitter today down 6%? Nasty little drop. Or I'm sorry, up 6%. A nice little pop today in Twitter. Drop. On NASDAQ down below all major moving averages. You get a spinning top reversal pattern right here. But wow, there's really not a lot of support in this area. If I went back to this, maybe this area right here. Yeah. So we do have this support to look at. Small caps. Down. Here you have an inverted hammer, reversal pattern, inverted hammer. It's down below a support level. I'm going to add, like I have on all the others, a area of support that if we do keep dropping, that could be that. And we do have the rising 50-day moving average coming in here. I'm going to look at financials. Now, this is big news on financials. We have this big rising wedge, two blue lines. You can see the two blue lines coming in here, right? These two blue lines, rising wedge. We're going higher, hit our head. We come down. We get a nice hammer yesterday, right at the 200-day moving average. Really fully expected to see a bounce here. It did not happen. Today, we get a lower high, lower low, below a major trend line. So there's a close below a major trend line on a financial sector, So this is broken. This is a broken area. This is no good. And I should probably put in an arrow right now, even though I have one up here. I'm going to double up on that because that, unless we can get back above that, markets are in serious trouble with the financials showing this sort of weakness. As I promised, I want to get to some commodities, but we're going to start off on crude oil. I had a sell, and we keep showing red candlesticks to the downside. The question is, will it go all the way down to here? It's anybody's guess. I got the rising 20-day moving average acting as support at this moment. But gold, check this out. We're pulling back. Please pull back a little more. Give me a doji. Give me a hammer. Give me something right there where I can load up on some gold and silver. Silver here. Look at this. Nice pullback. This looks like it's ready to go. I'm saying silver's a buy over 1662. Silver looks like it's ready to rock and roll. 1662. Looks like a nice area to buy. Really, really nice, guys. Let me get my arrow going here. I'm going to call a buy area. Coming up on that. Told you I had news coming out. If I go here to Grok Trade, a couple things. You're going to notice you cannot buy the 201 courses anymore. We're taking those off the shelf. Those will be exclusive only to mentor students. Now, technically, those people who are signed up for the 101s, if you're signed up for the free 101s right now, those there's still a link there to get the 201s. We're not pushing it because we're getting ready to take those away. Matter of fact, we just reburned a new series of 101 courses. They haven't been uploaded yet. They will be uploaded very soon. And they're smaller. So each of the videos is around 15 minutes long instead of 30. So we cut out a lot of information. So I guess, if you want to get a jump on it, you can do the 101s right now so you can get in on the older version, which are longer with more information. And you could probably even still get the 201s if you wanted to. But those are going away. They're going away. And we're very excited about the new 101s coming out. They are abbreviated, but they're going to introduce you to Meet the Mentor free webinars. So that's something that we're excited about. There you have it. If you like our videos, you like the technical analysis that we give you on a daily basis, like the video. Catch you guys later.